How to mount your solar panels using the 8-panel top-of-pole mount kit from RPS Solar Pumps. And of course, if you ever get stuck with your purchase of any kit, you'll have access to our friendly customer support team who can walk you through install over the phone. Start by preparing additional tools and equipment needed. Refer to the list on the left-hand side. Then dig a 30 to 48 inch deep hole. The depth you dig the hole depends on your area's frost line. Ensure that the area you're placing the top-of-pole mount is in an area that is unobstructed and south-facing, as that is the direction you'll be setting up your solar panels. Then insert your set post into the middle of the hole. Ensure the pole is stable and centered before you start slowly pouring in your cement mixture. Prior to the cement settling, make sure that the post is leveled and straight. To assemble the 8P solar panels, get your pole brackets and insert the bolts L from the inside through the two middle circles, then slightly secure it with the nuts M. Repeat with the other pole bracket. Then you'd want to attach the two pole brackets to the top of the set post and secure it tightly by using the 4 long bolts I and nuts K to clamp it. Use your compass to confirm that the bolts and nuts are aligned with the east and west. After, remove the nuts M that was previously used to hold the pole bracket together and attach the tilt bracket to each side of the pole brackets, then secure it tightly with the nuts M. Then attach the extension rails onto the top of the tilt bracket and use bolts J and nuts K to mount them. Align the two rails so they extend the same on both sides, then tighten the 4 bolts. Leave that aside and grab your panel rails and rail joining L plates along with your I bolts and K nuts. Insert the I bolts into the L plates through the bottom and side holes. Then measure the center of the L plates and start slowly sliding the panel rails towards the center line. Once joined, tighten the bolts one at a time using the K nuts while ensuring that the two rails are even. Repeat with the other panel rails. Once prepared, attach the 2 long panel rails to the extension rails using the remaining 4 J-hex bolts and K nuts. Begin by sliding 1 bolt into the bottom slots on each side of the rails. Then move the panels into the position where the bolts go through the holes in the extension rails. Secure tightly with the end nuts. To attach the solar panels onto the panel rails, start by securing the end clamps to one side of the panel rails. Carefully lay down 2 solar panels, then insert and slide the mid clamps from the top slot of each of the panel rails until it reaches the solar panels. Tighten down the mid clamps hand tight, do not over tighten. Repeat this twice. Then after your last 2 solar panel sets are attached, secure tightly by adding the end clamps to the top of the panel. And once you're finished, this is what other customer installs have looked like in the field. Give RPS a call today if you have questions or want to size a pump and mounting kit.